Holiday, we're now going to make a move along the promenade here. Yeah. Because it's raining, absolutely pissing it down, and it's blowing a gale as well. But we're going to have a walk along, aren't we, darling?
We are. We're not going to be put off by the rain.
No, we're just not going to be put off by it. We are going along.
We saw a troop of mothers with their children in pushchairs. And they've been on the beach with their buckets and spades and their Macs.
So we can do it.
Yeah, we can do it.
Anyway, we've got some swans here. I'll just give you a quick brief look at them. Oh, it is absolutely chucking it down. And it stinks a bit of poo as well. I think there must be some sewerage outlet along here. Oh, and I'm treading water. There's a boating lake there, look, behind us. No boats on it today. Alex is coming up. Oh, it's really raining, darling. We've got some lovely, beautiful houses along the beach here. Look at that one. It's like you see that one behind us? It's a beautiful little house there. See that? It's a sort of, Alex, can you point to the house?
No bikes, no dogs, especially ones that poo. No crouching people in hoodies, no horse guards, and no can rollers. There'll be no can rolling here. Keep dogs under close control.
You can have a poo in 520 metres.
Oh, excellent. And you walk around in circles for 160 metres.
This way.
God, I'm getting blown away.
So, we're enjoying our walk, aren't we, darling?
Oh, it's brilliant. It's really lovely.
The
lovely beach.
Really lovely. And there's a place to take a break up here and have a seat.
Oh yes.
Yes.
That's splendid.
It's the coastal part. And it's like having pins stuck in your face, this weather. This water. It's probably about as bad as it gets, really.
Oh my word! Look at the forest.
I think we'll maybe.
Oh no, the path's run out. We better go back.
Oh, look at that. That's lovely. Yeah, so there's some nice stones, nice posts here. Come on, Alex! on the beach now, and as you can see, there's lots of wood. I mean, this stuff.
Sculpture.
These sculptures here, look.
That's a lady.
Oh, have a look at that
With
one,
lots
darling.
of
Give that a good
wimpy.
shake, that one. See if it falls off. They're just ordinary trees, aren't they?
They are solid.
They're weird, aren't they?
Yeah.
It's just too much. We've tried our best. But at the end of the day, actually, where the water is easing slightly.
I think it's better down here.
Yeah, I think protected from the wind. Look at this.
That looks like a nose.
They're coming along the top. That'll be alright. Yeah, that's storage outlet. Well, I'm going to try and walk along it. It is rather slippery, but it's quite nice. It's quite slippery, darling, but it wasn't too bad. We're going to have to walk along the rocks now. Oh no, not those rocks, these rocks. Yeah. So that's it. We're now heading back to the car, the van, because it's absolutely bloody freezing, and I think we've been far enough, don't you?
I think we have,
And these are the swans, they're still here. We've got nothing for you. Hello. Woo! There's the van, look. It's not busy, is it? You can easily get parked.